Hey guys, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Happy Sunday. Hopefully you guys are all having a great weekend. I'm just sitting here taking a look at the FET ASI Artificial Superintelligence Alliance chart, and we're noticing some pretty good things with that. So we're going to talk about some technical analysis surrounding FET, how high we think this thing could most likely go, and I'm going to share with you another analyst's opinion, and it's one that I also agree with as well. So let's jump into it in this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more cryptocurrency news, and let's jump into it here. So FET could be targeting the $2 mark, and let's talk about when that could potentially happen. So ASI FET has gained immense bullish pressure this week. The price has gone up. Things have been looking really good. Let's go over and just share this chart with you right now. We can see it. This is the 4-hour chart for FET, up about 62.4% this week since August 19th. So it's a dramatic price increase. So what is behind that? Rising demand and new developments. The FET price continued to extend the gains and register a breakout. It registered a range breakout last week. It was followed by a double bottom formation and a significant rebound from the demand zone we saw at about 76 cents. So what fueled the price breakout? Well, FET Innovation Lab on August 23rd announced that this hub is going to trigger a creation of AI agent solutions. So basically, they are going to be funding some of the startup kind of thing. So people would most likely have to apply and gain funding from this. This collaboration. So it's revealed an annual budget of 10 million to invest in projects that are going to deploy the company technology stack to develop AI agents. Putting money into their own project, increasing development, that kind of thing is what's going on. So there's significant development growth, rising demand fueled the price surge over the weekend, and most AI-backed crypto tokens have gained bullish momentum and stepped upwards, extending their gains. So that's basically what we're seeing there. So is FET poised to catch the $2 mark? Let's look at the analysis here. With a continuous bullish streak and flow on bullish momentum, the token seemed poised to reach the 50% fib resistance near the $2 mark shortly. Captain Fabix shared his technical outlook via X, and he says that FET has bounced back from the lower trendline support of the falling channel. A falling channel breakout was on the horizon. I still have to replace this mouse. I know I've been worrying about other things. I got a new mic boom coming just so that things are really stable here, and I've been neglecting my mouse. I know I keep scrolling by things that I'm trying to read. I apologize. So the falling channel breakout was on the horizon, and the token looks bullish. The RSI line has showed a positive crossover and approached the overbought zone of 66. I think it's actually up higher now. On the 4-hour anyway, it's showing about 76. The CMF indicator is also showing a bullish sentiment, and a massive rise in futures. Open interest of over 24% was noted. So they're basically new positions that have entered and anticipated an upward movement in future prices. So that's like when we say we're longing, or we're opening a long or whatever. That's basically what that is. It's an open interest. It means that they've opened a new position and they think that the price is going to go up, and that's what they're betting on. So if the token extends the green bars vertically, the token could reach a $1.70 mark soon. A new resistance could be unlocked close to $2 once that happens. If the token does fail to ascend and gain further, it may retrace towards the 38.2 fib retracement zone and soon retest the $1 mark. I think that this thing still has some bullish pressure left in it, though. We can take a look here, and we see the RSI is it's up in the high 70s. So I really don't know. I was expecting some profit taking to occur. I think we had a little tiny bit here, but I mean, because it did drop down to $1.17, but then it just right back up. There's a lot of things going on with AI right now because we're waiting for NVIDIA earnings that's coming up this week, and the AI sector has been anticipating a pretty decent return for that. So we got a lot of crypto, a lot of AI cryptos right now, double digits. So things are heating up in the market right now. FET doesn't seem to want to stop rolling, so we're just going to keep an eye on this thing. I did add it to my new profile or my portfolio that I created. I did 10 AI cryptos. $100 each, $1,000 portfolio, and FET has been my biggest gainer so far. So if you're interested in that, I did a video on that the other day. I'm also talking about it a bit on X, and we're going to keep tabs on this $1,000 portfolio and see how high it can get into the bull market. So I also am providing some more information about this on my Patreon group as well. And hopefully we can see some pretty good price movements from that. So I have a lot of people that come to me and they say, "Foxy, can you really make money in crypto?" And I'm like, "Well, I do." And they're like, "Well, we hear a lot of things about scams and things like that. Like, how much could I actually make? Like, if I put in like 500 to $1,000 bucks?" So that's why I decided to go with $1,000 bucks. It's a very reasonable amount of money for somebody to start off with in crypto. And now when they say, "Foxy, can I make some money in crypto?" I'm going to show them my public portfolio and say, "Well, I put $1,000 into this, and look how much it's worth now, or look how much I made on it," because I am going to take profits on that portfolio. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to diamond hand anything because I don't believe in diamond handing. I'm going to let this thing go and see where we can get. I want to take some profits, maybe recycle that into some other lower caps kind of thing, or maybe even some larger caps, depending on what's going on in the market at the time. I do have a plan. I have a plan to also kind of recalibrate my plan later on down the road. Just kind of depends on how the market goes, but it's all a part of my plan, and I'm going to share that with you guys every step of the way. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks so much. I really, really, really appreciate all your support on the channel. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I'm really excited about this portfolio that I started. I know it's only $1,000 bucks, but it's going to be something that I'm going to be able to show people and be like, "Yeah, you can actually make money in crypto, and this is proof." So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.